Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change notification sound on Samsung M35 device. Well, by changing the notification sound for different types of notifications, you can prioritize and categorize incoming alert based on the sound they produce. This helps you respond promptly to important notifications and filter out less urgent ones based on the sound they emit. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. To begin the customization process, open please the settings menu on your device. So within the settings, enter to the sounds and vibration menu. Okay, after that you can select notification sound from the options available. And then you can explore the different notification tones provided and choose the one that best suits your preferences. Okay, by selecting a notification sound that resonates with you, you can personalize your device alert notifications and enhance the overall user experience. Okay, once you have chosen your preferred notification sound, save the selection to apply it to your device notification settings. And this customization also allows you to tailor the auditory experience of your device to match your unique preferences. Well, that's the tutorial on how to change notification sound on Samsung M35 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.